How's everybody doing today? Today we're going to be talking a little bit about the Rickenbacker 4003 and as compared to the Rickenbacker 4004. This is the Rickenbacker 4003 manufactured in May of 2011. It's got the single coil pickups, no special mods to it. The only thing that's been done to it that's any different are a set of Circle K balanced tension strings. Between the two guitars, that's going to be the common point. I changed out the strings in the 4004, the same exact strings, so at least string-wise they'll be the same. Single coil pickups in the 4003. The 4004 have humbuckers. All right. So tonally they sound completely different. Some people ask, "Hey, does the 4004 sound like a Fender Precision with a Rickenbacker growl?" I don't think so. I think it sounds a little bit more full, but it's a completely different animal. But I'm going to play them side by side. Actually, I'll play the 4003 first. I'll go to the 4004 and let your ears tell you what you like more. Right? Personally, I like them both. I think the 4003 and 4001 series are time tested. They sound fantastic. The 4004, completely different beast. It's a Rickenbacker. It's quality. It sounds great. Okay, here we go. 4003. All through my Orange 2010, my Orange AD200B Mk3. Right, that's the 4003. All right, hit standby. Okay, turn on. And this is the 4004 Rickenbacker. It's in TV yellow. It's pretty much a one-off color, ebony fretboard, but the pickups are exactly the same in any 4004 you're going to find. So here's the tonal difference. Here we go. Same thing. Monster, a little more full, a little bit of Rickenbacker punch, but quality guitar. Built in the United States by Rickenbacker. Thanks a lot.